how to change PNC pin or password. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your pin or password. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I will show you two ways to change your pin or password. The first way is if you know your PNC account pin, and the second way if you don't know your PNC account pin or password. So if you know your PNC pin or password, you have to open the PNC app or website and log in, and then once you're logged in you have to click on the customer service tab and then click on the password and pin link under the security settings sections. Then under modify password, enter a new password. So this is how you can change your PNC pin if you know. Now if you don't know your PNC pin or password, first open up PNC app or go to the PNC website, and then here on the login screen you will see here reset password option. Tap on it. Then you will see two options, continue with reset or I do not have my debit card. So if you don't have a PNC debit card, tap on it, I do not have my debit card. Then here you will get the option to call PNC. So you have to call and they will help you to change your PNC pin. So if you have debit card with you and you just want to change, tap on here, continue with reset. Then here you have to enter your user ID, PNC account user ID, enter here debit card number, and then enter here social security number, and then tap on continue. I don't have an account with PNC Bank, so I can't continue, but if you have, you have to tap on continue and continue with the process to reset password. And so this is how you can reset your PNC password or pin. Thanks for watching.